Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Fiverr username. So for this, first of all, you have to log into fiverr.com through desktop site. For that, you have to open your Google Chrome or any browser and then tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and click on this desktop site. After that, from the top right corner, you have to tap on profile picture and you will be able to find settings option, the third place. Click on settings option. Now at the last portion you can see I am leaving because select a reason. Then you will be able to see option I want to change my username. You have to click this and after you have to describe some issues in this box like Fiverr is very good but I can't change my username. For that reason I want to leave here. After that you have to click on deactivate account and from the customer service of Fiverr you will get an email which will solve your problem to change the username. So that's how you can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.